Okay, so we have been doing a great job working on our money math recently. Today we're going to start something new with that, but first let's review our coin values. So in front of you, you have your coin cups. Get your coin cups out. In your coin cup, who can find the coin with the least value? It's worth the least amount of money. Please find that coin and hold it up once you've found it. Everybody raise up your coins. There we go. I can see them. Now, who could tell me, class, what is the name of this coin?
Penny.
It's a penny. And what is the value of the penny? How much?
1 cent.
1 cent. We have to remember to include our cent sign there. And when we are drawing our penny, we're just going to do a circle with the 1 cent so we know who we're talking about. Okay. In your coin cup, if you could please find the coin that is worth 10 cents. It has a 10-cent value. When you find that 10-cent coin, hold it up. Let's see it. There we go. Everybody's got it. Class, what is this 10-cent coin called?
Dime.
It is a dime. And when we draw the dime, we're going to do a circle with the 10. Don't forget your cent sign. Okay, the next coin we are looking for is called a nickel. Look through your coin cups and find your nickel. Hold it up. That's not my nickel. There we go. There we go. See those shiny silver nickels? And how much is our nickel worth? What is the value of our nickel?
5 cents.
5 cents. Don't forget your cent sign. Draw a circle with the 5 in there. Perfect. Okay, last coin that we are going to find in our coin cup is the biggest, both in size and value. Find your biggest coin in the coin cup. Hold it up, let me see. Great, there's everybody. Class, what is the biggest coin called?
Quarter.
A quarter. And what is the value? How much is the quarter worth?
25 cents.
25 cents. And when we draw our quarter, circle with the 25 in it. Beautiful. Okay, please put your coins back in your cup, and we are going to watch a fun video that will introduce us to our next money math concept. Put your coins away, please. Thank you.
One penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. 5 pennies make a nickel. In cents it's worth 5. 5 nickels make 10 cents. That makes it worth a dime. A quarter's 25 pennies. But let's make it shorter. 2 dimes and a nickel also equal a quarter. I bought 1 delicious dill pickle for 2 dimes, a quarter, and a nickel. To find out how much I spent, I counted them up cent by cent. I started with a quarter, it was worth 25 cents. Each dime was worth 10, so I added both of them. Got 35 and 45. And then there was a nickel. I added 5 and paid 50 cents for the pickle. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. I bought an ice cream in the summertime with 4 pennies, 3 quarters, and a dime. The ice cream lady looked in silence, and then she counted up my cents. She counted 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. Then she added the dime. The 10 cents made 85, and the 4 pennies left made it 89. So it was 89 cents for the ice cream. I ate until my shirt popped at the seam. worth 1 cent, and 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10, 1 quarter's worth 25 cents.
On the penny, the 16th president, Abraham Lincoln. He wrote the Gettysburg Address and the Emancipation Proclamation. The 3rd president, Thomas Jefferson, was on a nickel or 5 cents. He was the main author of the Declaration of Independence. The dime has Franklin Delano Roosevelt, President 32. He instituted the New Deal and led America through World War II. Finally, on the quarter of the 1st president, George Washington. He was the commander-in-chief during the American Revolution.
1 penny is worth 1 cent, 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10, 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. 5 pennies make a nickel, in cents it's worth 5. 5 nickels make 10 cents, that means they're worth a dime. A quarter's 25 pennies, but let's make it shorter. 2 dimes and a nickel also equal a quarter.
That was a pretty good song, right? Let's get that to stop. Perfect. Did you notice in the middle of that video there how there were some characters that faced real math problems in real life? They faced some money math problems. If you think about it, whenever we go out to the grocery store or go to a restaurant and we go to buy something or pay, we do encounter these money math problems. So today we're going to practice with some similar problems involving money, but they will be written as word problems. A word problem will be in the form of a sentence or 2 or 3, and within each sentence we will find the clues that will help us solve the money math problem. We're going to work together to practice solving some word problems with a splash math game. If you could please get your math journals out while I get this set up. Get out your math journals, please. And get your coin cups again as well. Okay, here we go. So the game that we are going to be playing on Splash Math is the Compare Amounts game. We'll be working with this game in centers all week long, so you'll have plenty of practice. All right, let's go to the first problem. There's the captain.
Laura needs to buy a cup for 80 cents. She has the following coins. Does she have enough?
Okay, so we're going to look in this word problem and read the sentences to try to find our clues. So it says Laura needs to buy a cup for 80 cents. She has the following coins. Does she have enough? So how much is the cup that Laura needs to buy?
80 cents.
80 cents. And these are the coins that she has. So we need to find out, is this 80 cents or more? Does she have enough? First, let's identify the coins that we see. What are these 2 big coins we see here?
Quarters.
Quarters. And what is the value of a quarter?
25 cents.
25 cents. And then there are 2 smaller coins here in the middle. What are these coins called?
Dimes.
Dimes. And what is the value of a dime?
10 cents.
10 cents. And the last coin here, what is this?
Nickel.
A nickel. And the value of the nickel?
5 cents.
5 cents. Perfect. So what kind of math do we think that we're going to need to use with these coins? We need to find the sum, the total, how much they are all together. Are we going to be subtracting? No, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be adding the coins. Perfect. So I want you to work in your math journals. You can use your coin cups. You can draw the coins in your math journal, or you can practice doing a vertical equation. We need to find out how many coins Laura has. Go ahead and get started. Raise your hand when you're about finished. Good, I see Cameron is done. George is done. Minnie Mouse is done. Okay, George, could you tell us how you solved this problem? What did you do?
Drew them.
You drew the coins. Okay, so let's practice. So you drew 2 quarters with the value of 25 cents. And then you drew the 2 dimes, each with a value of 10 cents. And then you drew the nickel with the value of 5 cents. So we said we were adding. So we're going to add together. And George, what did you get when you added this?
75.
75 cents. 25, 50, 60, 70, 75 cents. Another way that you could practice solving this equation is by doing the vertical math equation. So we can, instead of drawing, we can write 25, 25, 10, 10, and 5, plus 5, 10, 15. We're going to carry our 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that adds up to 75 cents. George, does Laura have enough to buy that cup for 80 cents?
No.
No, she does not. Class, do you agree with George? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you agree with George? We agree. Cameron agrees. Okay, let's see. We said no, she does not have enough.
That's right.
The captain agrees with us. All right, our next problem.
Chris needs to buy a marble for 60 cents. He has the following coins. Does he have enough?
Okay, so that says Chris needs to buy a marble for how many cents?
60.
60 cents. He has the following coins. Does he have enough? Okay. So these are the coins that Chris found in his pocket. They all look like the same coin. What coin is that? What do we think?
Dime.
That's a dime. And what is the value of a dime?
10 cents.
10 cents. So remember, we need to find the total. So we'll be adding. Go ahead and work in your math journals. We need to add these coins together to see if Chris has enough to buy this 60-cent marble. Raise your hand when you're about finished. Cameron still needs some time. BB-8 looks like he's finished. George looks like he's finished. Okay, George, could you tell us what you did to solve this problem?
Vertical equation.
You did a vertical equation. Okay, so vertical equation, we said that these are dimes, which are 10 cents, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimes, yes? So we're going to add vertically. And now we can count by tens to solve this, right? We know how to count by tens. We're going to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And what did we say that we're writing in? Cents. 60 cents. Okay, so we could also have drawn our dimes. We have 6 of them. Don't forget to put what they are inside so we know what we're talking about. And we are adding them up. And we're going to count again in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So Chris has 60 cents in his pocket, and he needs to buy a marble for 60 cents. Does he have enough, George?
Yes.
Yes. Class, do we agree with George? Thumbs up or thumbs down? It looks like we all agree. Let's see what the captain says.
Awesome.
Fantastic. We have enough. Okay, now I'm going to be passing out a worksheet with more money word problems for you to practice solving. Please write your name at the top as soon as you get the worksheet, so that way I know whose paper belongs to who. I will let you work as your table groups. You can work as a whole group. You can work with the person sitting next to you. You can work by yourself, whichever you prefer. And remember that you have your coin cups that you can use to solve. You can practice drawing the coins in the space provided, or you can work with a vertical equation. I'm going to be giving you 20 minutes to work on this worksheet. I'll be walking around, If you need some assistance, you can always ask the person next to you as well. If you finish early, there's also a bonus problem on the bottom that asks you to practice writing your own money word problem. Okay, let's begin. Okay, class, our 20 minutes is up. Do not worry if you didn't finish. We will be practicing more money word problems over the next several weeks. If you could please put your coin cups away and stack your worksheets in the middle of the table so I can come around and collect them. As you are putting all of your stuff away, I'm going to replay the beginning of that coin song video so you can see those money word problems in action. Let's get it started. Here we go. Go ahead and put your coin cup away, George. Thank you.
1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. 5 pennies make a nickel. In cents it's worth 5. 2 nickels make 10 cents. That makes it worth a dime. A quarter's 25 pennies. But let's make it shorter. 2 dimes and a nickel also equal a quarter. I bought 1 delicious dill pickle for 2 dimes, a quarter, and a nickel. To find out how much I spent, I counted them up cent by cent. I started with a quarter, it was worth 25 cents. Each dime was worth 10, so I added both of them. Got 35, 45. And then there was a nickel. I added 5 and paid 50 cents for the pickle. 1 penny's worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents.
Here's the next problem.
I bought an ice cream in the summertime with 4 pennies, 3 quarters,
Is that
and
going
a
to be
dime.
enough?
The ice cream lady looked in silence, and then she counted up my cents. She counted 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. Then she added the dime. The 10 cents made 85. And the 4 pennies left made it 89. So it was 89 cents for the ice cream. I ate until my shirt popped at the seam. 1 penny is worth 1
All right.
cent. 1
I think that might be my favorite part, where his shirt pops because he ate too much ice cream. Okay, so as we're going to close this lesson for today, I just wanted to take a quick poll. We talked about the different ways of solving these money word problems. You could either use your coin manipulatives in your coin cup. You could have written the problem as a vertical equation, or you could have drawn the coins on your paper. So please raise your hand and tell me which method of solving the word problem you preferred. Which was your favorite? Okay, go ahead and raise your hand if you liked working with the manipulatives. Good, good. Okay, now raise your hand if you practice by drawing the coins out on your paper. There we go. George drew his coins out. Okay, and the last practice method that we worked with was the vertical equations. Raise your hand if you tried using a vertical equation. Minnie Mouse did. Cameron, did you use a vertical equation? There we go. Okay, so it's really great to see that there are multiple ways we can solve these money word problems, and you will be getting lots of practice with them over the next few weeks. All right, so again, put your worksheets back in the middle of the table, and I will collect them, and let's get ready for snack.